USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you'll find some links. The first link says swing like a pro. So if you click on the first link, come to this page where you can see these videos and these screenshots as well. So go and check out this swing trading mentorship program if you want to join it. This will help you. Coming back to the chart, not the chart. The second link says book consultation. So you can talk to me, you can consult, you can book here or check out the brokers as well and join free Telegram for sure. Get into my Telegram. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with a weekly time frame. Weekly we are down. Weekly we just came down, and then daily daily we were already down, okay, and in 4 hour we are also down. So we are looking for shorts after the pullback in 4 hour, okay. So pullback, then we go down. That's USDCAD. If you want precise entry exit with SL, then join swing like a pro, and I'll see you in the next video. So then take care.